I'm excited because it's freaking leg day. So we're gonna jump right into it with our warm-up. We never start our workout without our warm-up. If you've been following me for a while and you're my client, you already know what we do. So we're gonna start with a dynamic quad stretch with a little bit of a lean forward to get a good stretch in that thigh. And then we're gonna switch legs, 15 seconds at your pace. Next up is a warm-up I like to call sweepers, where you bring one leg slightly in front of your other foot. You push your hips back to stretch the hammies. You reach towards those feet or towards your feet, switching legs. 15 seconds here. So before we dive into today's workout, make sure you have a sweat towel, water bottle, plenty of space on the floor, and definitely grab your yoga mat. You want to make sure you're lifting weights that are going to challenge you. So it's all about progression. So if you had weights for a certain amount of time and you know you're not feeling the challenge or burn, it's time for you to go up. The movements are going to be done for anywhere between 10 to 12 reps, or you can time yourself for 30 seconds. We're looking for 2 sets for each circuit, but pause the video and do 3. Let's get it. This next stretch right here is lateral lunges. So what I like to do is that like I'm Spider-Man, just kind of crawling to each side, stretching out my leg. And this is a great one for your hips, because I know like your hips can be super tight, because most of my ladies that are watching this now, maybe you sit at home majority of the day, or maybe you're up on your feet. You know, these muscles get super, super tight with our lifestyle and daily habits. So let's stretch this one out for about 8 more seconds, pushing from each hip to the other. And rest and breathe. One more stretch and we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna actually take out any tension in our lower back. So what we're gonna do is bring our left leg forward, right leg back, left hand or right hand to the floor. And then we're gonna just open up to the outside leg and then swoop back underneath and then repeat for 10 seconds. All right, it is time to jump into my favorite workout of the day. So let's jump into leg day. Go ahead and grab your water. You should have everything already near you. So the workout plan is in front of me and our timer to make sure we stay on track, because the workout is only 10 minutes. So let's dive into it. We're gonna start off first with a combination of a step back into a squat position. You are welcome to step back with your weights on the outside and then switch your dumbbells into the inside of your feet for that squat position. We have 6 on the left and 6 on the right side. 3, 2, let's get it.
Got me smiling off a car in the backseat windows, logo rain tapping on my cup. When you said don't let me go, your name sits right on my tongue like a note I can't undo. I was fine till you walked in, now I'm leaning into you. So come a little closer, let that feeling rise. I don't need a reason when you look me in the eyes. Boy, you got that night glide, late night. Late night glide, take me where the world feels like.
Let me get myself together for a second. That one right there, that combination hits immediately. Now, if you're not feeling the burn right now, I need you to upgrade those weights, okay? You should be feeling like slightly out of breath. You should be feeling a little bit winded, where you have to grab some water, adjust yourself like I'm doing right now. You have 15 seconds and we're gonna dive into set Number 2.
Rain from the walk up to my door. I see the chain on the side. Still I want a little more. You talk with a half smile, slow, like you already know my mind. Every time you pull me in, I forget about the time. So come a little closer, closer. That feeling rise, I don't need a reason. When you look me in the eyes, boy, you got that late night glide, late night glide, late night glide. Take me where the world feels alive, where it's only you and I. Ooh, yeah, you got that late night glide, late night glide, late night glide. I can't shake it, no, I won't hide. When you move like that tonight, slow down and pull me back, like you know the way I breathe.
All right, I know those legs are burning because I know I'm not lying, I'm feeling it. But I want you to really quickly spread your feet to a base. Give me a 10-second squat hold.
Oh, you got that night glide, night glide. Take me where the world,
Give me pulses for 10.
where it's only you and I. Oh, you got that night glide,
And you're out of that circuit, girl.
I can't
Woo.
shake it, no.
That's no joke. That is no joke. Right here, you get a quick break, 30 seconds. Grab out some water, stretch out the thighs. We're about to jump into another circuit in 15.
RPDMS.
All right, so this next circuit is on the floor, so go ahead and grab your yoga mat, whatever you need. We're gonna start off with bridges, and then from there, we're gonna go from bridges to side leg lifts. So I'm gonna go lighter because this is my third workout of the day. I'm gonna go lighter. There's no ego here. I wanna be able to make sure I don't wear myself out where I cannot coach you, because the workout is for us both, but especially for you, right? So what we're gonna do is lay straight back. Take your weights. I suggest putting your weights at your hip. So I'm gonna lay my weights here.
RPDMS.
From there, you're gonna push your hips up, putting pressure into your heels, squeezing the glutes at the top, controlling your hips back down, and then right back up. We have 30 for 30, so we have 30 seconds of this and 30 seconds side leg lifts. Follow my lead. 3, 2, go. You should be definitely feeling your glutes and your outer thighs. That circuit right there, you're welcome next time you do this video to use a band if you would like. You should of course saw that as an option before in the beginning of the video. So we're gonna go into our final and last circuit number 30. We're gonna go to RDLs, go into RDLs to calf raise. So you're gonna give me an RDL coming up, squeezing your glutes at the very top. The big part about this one is just making sure you keep your posture nice and long. Don't round your back as much as possible. Are you ready? Let's get it in 5, 4, 3, 2, let go. And that is leg day in a nutshell. That was a challenge. Now, what I want you to do is to go back and do this video again to get even more progression with your goals. Take this video, replay it, and start from the top. Make sure you're pushing yourself with your weight. That is super, super key. So thank you for joining me.